Yeah, good morning, sir. My name is J. Madhavarao. I am from Visakhapatnam branch. We are Anand Seal Hydraulics Private Limited. We are operating hydraulic systems. We are manufacturing and supplying of hydraulic systems, hydraulic cylinders, power packs, accumulators, telescopic cylinders, different varieties of cylinders and power packs to any application, any hydraulic application. We are from 1998 onwards. We are supplying and manufacturing the cylinders and power packs. And we are authorized distributor for Eaton Vickers products. Eaton is the biggest company in hydraulics. Recently they are completed 100 years on 1911 to 2011. We are supplying of hydraulic pumps, piston pumps, vane pumps and gear pumps. Piston pumps up to 750cc, vane pumps up to 120 lpm. And gear pumps also we are supplied up to 100 lpm. And we are the leading manufacturers in world in first place. And our power packs are used in entire India. Entire West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and New Delhi, UP, everywhere we supplied our power packs and all. Per year at least we are manufacturing of hydraulic cylinders, minimum 1,000 numbers of cylinders we are manufacturing. This year our target is 200 crores. We are price range hydraulic pump up to different applications, price range up to 2,000 rupees to almost 28 lakhs. One hydraulic pump cost. Different valves also having different valves is almost 4,000 rupees to almost 4 lakhs valves also available here. Servo valves, cartridge valves, hydraulic control valves, solid operator valves, single solid, pilot operator check valves, relief valves, sequence valves, lot of applications. If any hydraulic related application, complete fluid power solution, complete solution we will supply. Yeah, this is our 8th exhibition. Earlier, almost 4 years back we are conducted here and Visakhapatnam. In last year we conducted in Delhi also. This is our 8th exhibition. Yeah, here High-Tech City, in this time customers are very good. Very good response we got it. Actually this is the best actually. And we are also got so many orders also. Thank you sir. Thank you.